to relieve a lot of the pressures that the refugee families face when they enter America. We gather furniture so they don't have to sleep on the floor, mattresses. We get rice and beans, some just basic necessities that they have so they feel comfortable when they come here. Then we try to go and spend time with them and get to know them. And then after they stay approximately a year in an international school and learn a little bit of English, then we will look at taking them and trying to sponsor them for education in a private school. So that way they have a really good foundation. I went to Clarkston and we took laptops and we started looking for scholarships for some of them, and we were blessed with 6 years ago, 12 scholarships that you could use to go to any private school in Georgia. Something to get you through the day type of thing, right? We make 27 lunches a day. 27 of the kids can't afford to bring their own lunch. 90% of the kids that come don't do breakfast. So for some of them, this is all they're going to have in their belly until tonight, 6 or 7 o'clock, when they'll get a bowl of rice for dinner. So that's why we like to give them lunches, to make sure that they can have something in their belly to be able to take tests and be able to focus in the classroom so they can give us their best performance.
Good morning, children.
When I pass out lunches to the kids in the morning, so many of them will come up and hug me. At times they get so rambunctious they nearly knock me off my feet. But the hugs and the pure joy that they show is just indescribable.
God answered my prayers. I get to attend an Adventist school and I get to receive a 4.0, not because of my ability, but because of God's help.
When she came to Adventist school, she could just focus on her grades and focus on being the child that she wanted to be and not get teased or, actually she's praised for all of her accomplishments that she has achieved. And we started off 6 years ago with 12, and then we went to like 20, and then I think it was like 25. And we currently have 61 kids that we help. And then we also have some kids that they're different religions. We bring them to Adventist schools. So we have the energy and the desire to help everyone. But this is God. This is God's hand in this. I'm just a little part of His great plan.
I just want to say, don't be afraid to go out and befriend or get to know a refugee, because I'm pretty sure they will be happy to have you in their life, and you never know, they might change your life too.